Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're tackling a sensitive but crucial topic: how to resolve fence disputes with neighbors. No need to stress, we're here to walk you through it calmly and effectively. Let's jump in. First, know the property boundaries. Before starting any fence project, check your property lines. A professional land surveyor can help define the exact boundary, which avoids future confusion. Next, understanding. Having a clear understanding of where your property ends and your neighbor's begins is the first step to preventing disputes. This step can save you from costly mistakes later on. Next, communicate openly with your neighbor. Before you make any changes, talk to them about your plans. Whether it's building a new fence, repairing an old one, or making changes to the existing structure, clear communication helps set expectations and can lead to an agreement on style, height, and materials. Compromise is key. If your neighbor prefers a different style or material, try to find a solution that works for both of you. Sometimes, sharing the cost and design decisions can lead to a win-win outcome. Maintenance can be another issue. If you share a fence, decide together who will be responsible for its upkeep. A clear agreement on who maintains the fence can prevent future conflicts. Finally, know your local laws. Each city or neighborhood may have specific regulations on fence height, placement, and materials. Research these rules before starting your project, as this can help avoid legal issues down the road. At the end of the day, a little understanding and compromise go a long way. Like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.